My name is Ivan Lindro. You can call me Ivan. In this video, I'll try to discuss with you about the solution to solve the COVID-19 pandemic, especially in Indonesia. Before we begin, let's talk about what is COVID-19. Coronavirus, or we usually call COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus that first discovered in Wuhan, China 2019 and has spread all over the world, including Indonesia, causing more than 178 million confirmed cases and 3.9 million deaths. Most people infected with the COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquette. As of 21 July 2021, Government of Republic Indonesia has reported about 2,983,830 persons with confirmed COVID-19 case. And also, there have been 77,583 deaths related to COVID-19 virus and 2,356,553 patients have recovered from this disease. WHO is working with the Indonesian government to monitor the situation in Indonesia and prevent further spread of this disease. So, what is the solution of the COVID-19 pandemic? Indonesian government give us the solution, such as 5M and 3T movement. So, what is 5M and 3T movement? 5M movement are wearing masks, washing hands, keeping distance, avoiding crowd, and limiting mobilization. And 3T movements are: first T is testing. If you feel symptoms that resemble the symptoms of COVID-19, you need to go to the hospital to test through PCR so you know that you are affected by COVID-19 or not. Second, T is tracing. If you are affected by COVID-19 virus, you need to trace where have you been before, so you can tell the person that you meet, so they need to check if they are affected or not, or maybe you are affected because of them. The last T is treatment. If you are affected by COVID-19, first you must to do is you need to seek help from the doctor or health service. you need to do the self-isolation, and you need to be aware of the symptoms that appear to your body. And lastly, if you have a bad symptoms of COVID-19, you need to go to the hospital immediately. Rules and policies continue to change in order to overcome this COVID-19 virus. And government also have policies that's called PSBB and PPKM. PSBB and PPKM is a large scale of activity restrictions, such as that all the company must do work from home, and all the restaurants must only serve takeaway order, and everyone prohibited to dine in restaurant. Because of this, a lot of workers get cut from their company. However, it turns out that this is not enough to deal with this COVID-19 case, and the situation is getting worse every day. So I think we need other solution to prevent the coronavirus to spreading more. First, government need to gain trust from their people, so they can handle this pandemic well without getting problems. And they need to handle this pandemic without harm their people. Second, we need to have self-awareness about our own health, because this need to start from ourselves by taking care of our own health. By we take care of our health, so we can take care of others' health. And the government needs to temporarily close the access from other country. That way, the spread caused by other countries will be reduced. The other solution that I think is by getting vaccinating to all the people in Indonesia. So, what's the function of vaccine? The function of vaccine, I think, is to prevent getting or experiencing severe COVID-19 symptoms. Second, reducing morbidity and mortality due to COVID-19. Third, encourage the formation of herd immunity. And lastly is to help protect the next generation. Lastly, the most important solution that I can think is to sort out the fake news or hoax about this coronavirus. Because by this hoax or fake news, many people doesn't believe of this virus. And by everyone that do not believe this coronavirus makes them do not comply with health protocols, which can also cause them to get this coronavirus and makes them also to spreading more coronavirus to others. And because of this, many people is afraid to go to the hospital, and also many of them is end up dying because of that. So everyone, please stay at home and keep health protocols, because COVID-19 is real. Thank you.